Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I don't know what my voice is doing. We are testing out this item from a company called Heatless Hair. It is their curling ribbon. So what it is this really long like ribbon thingy that's silky. It comes with a couple other parts. You put it in your hair, you sleep with it overnight, you take it out and you're supposed to get curls. This is what my hair looks like trying it for the first time. I definitely am going to try it a couple more times. I don't think I did the best job at it. What the heck is happening with my voice? So, yeah, if you're interested in seeing me test out this little doodad, then just keep watching. Okay, so here is the little doodad. It comes in a pink one and a black one. I just grabbed the pink one. It has instructions here. It says when your hair is damp, separate your hair into two sections down the middle. With the clip provided, clip the curling ribbon to the top of your head. Start by taking one side of the sectioned hair and wrapping it either clockwise or counterclockwise direction around the ribbon. Once completed, take the scrunchie provided to tie hair. When done with one side, start wrapping the other side. Once your hair is completely dry, remove the scrunchies and remove the curling ribbon, and then you can add some hairspray. So it comes with 4 different parts. You have the clip, 2 scrunchies, and then the curling ribbon. This feels so nice, you guys. I know a lot of people are doing like the bathrobe sash trend instead, but I don't have a bathrobe sash, and I typically just will French braid my hair if I want to get like waves or something, but we are going to try this. My hair is pretty long, as you can see, like it comes several inches below my chest, so this is going to look really goofy, but you take it and clip it to your head. Okay, and then we're going to start wrapping the pieces around. I just wonder how, like, I'm gonna sleep with this. You just do like one piece and then you grab more. So, and this thing, I can't remember exactly how much it was. I will link it down below. I think it was like 40 bucks if I remember correctly, which isn't like awful. The really nice thing about it is like silk, so it's really good for your hair. Cause like I have a bathrobe and it has, I know I said it doesn't have a sash, but it does. It has a very, very thin, really crappy sash because I've had it for like several years. But I just feel like I would much rather have this in my hair. Seems to be going pretty easily. I think I'm doing this right. I'm not 100% sure. All right, so that's what it looks like. Sorry, I keep hitting my mic. It's kind of looser than I thought than I would like it. I might try to redo it. I'm gonna do this side and see how tight I can get it over here, and then we'll come back and see if maybe I need to change the other side. Okay, so this is done. So now I'm going to take this clippy out. I'm not going to lie, I redid this side like twice. So they do have like a short haired version and a long haired version. I obviously got the long, but I still think it needs to be longer because my hair, like I had to keep going on it because like I got to the end and I still had like this much hair left to go. So I would prefer it to be even a little bit longer. Also, I realized this side is shorter than the other side, so it needs to go over more, but obviously it's too late for that now. So this is what we are working with. It's like 10:20 at night right now, so I'm gonna go to bed and then I'm gonna wake up in the morning, probably wash my face, put some makeup on, and then I will film taking this out and see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. Okay, so we are back next day. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Husband has the kids, and so they're really loud in the background. So if you hear them, I apologize for that. So let's go over how I slept. I slept okay. I am typically a side sleeper anyway, so these didn't really get in the way. The nice thing is, like, they're squishy and comfortable, so it wasn't an issue for me. I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel like this is gonna work for me. I went back and watched a few videos, and I did not do it as well as the other videos I saw. They definitely had them way tighter. So, and plus, like I said, this side is longer than this side, so that kind of caused an issue when I was wrapping. But let's go ahead and take these off and see how we did. Oh, there's some curl. Okay. Wow. My hair smells really good right now too. Okay, so let's see. This is this side. My hair is still a little bit wet. It's not completely dry. I think I was supposed to wait till it was completely dry. But my hair takes forever to dry, you guys. Okay, my arm's itching. Let's get this side. I definitely want to try this again and do it tighter. But there's definitely some like curl there. Okay, this side looks better than this side. This side like has nothing compared to this side almost. But let me fix my part. I'm not a middle parter, you guys. I'm 26, almost 27. I don't do middle parts. And yeah, see, that looks better. Gives some over here. I think I can do better. I'm probably gonna try this a second round, but it does look really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it gave me some volume. There are some curls there. I think I'm gonna spritz some hairspray in it really quick. Two things. I have some dry shampoo. This is my Living Proof dry shampoo. It's my favorite dry shampoo ever. Okay, and now I'm gonna spritz a wee bit of hairspray over here. This is just a Garnier hairspray. I don't really curl my hair or anything, so I don't typically have hairspray. I've had this for years, I feel like. Okay. All right, so this is what we are working with. Overall, it turned out pretty nice. Like, it's really pretty, actually. Like, I would definitely go out like this. As far as wrapping it, it took me twice to like go over it, but I feel like it's easy to get the hang of, and it's a lot quicker for me to do this than to French braid my hair, because I am a perfectionist, and if I mess my hair up, I have to start it over. Like, I'll braid one side and then braid the other, and if this side's not even, I'll undo it and do it again, and then it doesn't match this side, and then I undo it and do it again. So it takes me like forever to French braid my hair, but this was pretty quick. Like, I could get it done in like 5 minutes, honestly, and it was comfortable to sleep in. So overall, I feel like I would give this a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10. Like, it didn't give me amazing curls, but I mean, I got some for sure. So I definitely want to keep trying it out. But let me know what you guys think, if you think it was a flop or not, if you're interested in getting it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye.